What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the EVAP Purge Solenoid valve on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I want to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. I'm going to use a 10mm socket, extension and ratchet. Loosen this up, grab the negative terminal, slide it off. Set it aside so it doesn't arc out by accident. Loosen up this worm clamp right here. Also over here is a worm clamp back here near the throttle body. Loosen this one up with the same straight blade screwdriver. I'll take this snorkel off this side, off the airbox. And then over here, there's two pipes on each side. There's this little gray lock that you have to push down on the lock and then slide it out. Just like that. You have to do the same on the other side. This one I'm pushing up from underneath and then slide it up. And I can grab this and just slide it back, wiggle it a little bit, and the whole thing comes up. We're gonna disconnect this line right here. Just push on this little lock here. There we go. Push on that little tab right there, slide this line up, put that aside. Now if you can get to this electrical connector, just try to get that out. It's going to be easier for me to get that off once I get the solenoid off. Take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, take this bolt out right here. There's that bolt, take that out. Now I can grab the solenoid valve and just wiggle it back and forth, slide it out. I'll just flip it over so there is a lock on the back side of this. If you have to slide it out a little more, just use a straight blade screwdriver or a pick. Push down on the lock, disconnect. Take the solenoid valve and slide it in position. Once that's in position, I'll just take the bolt. Get the bolt started. Take my 10mm socket and ratchet, tighten this up. Then if you can get a torque wrench in there, I'm going to torque this to 89 inch-pounds. Take the connector, slide it in position. Now you could, if you had trouble, you could slide the connector on before you put the solenoid in. And then push down on the lock. Take this hose, line it up. Push it on, make sure it's locked in. You might have to push down on the lock. And that's good and locked in. Now we're gonna slide this into position. Now there's a little bracket right here that's gonna slide into that slot right there. So slide it on the throttle body first. Get that lined up there. You can take and slide this on right here onto the airbox. That's good. I'm going to take a straight blade screwdriver, tighten up this worm clamp right here on the throttle body, and then tighten this one up as well. We'll take these hoses, these are going to clip in, make sure they lock in place. Do the same on this side. I'll take the negative battery cable, hook it up to the negative side of the battery. I'm going to take a 10mm socket, extension and a ratchet. Just snug this up. Grab the cable, just make sure it's nice and tight. Won't loosen up.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.